Have you ever wondered how to make an authentic Mexican taco at home? Today, we're diving into the heart of Mexican cuisine with a simple, yet flavorful recipe. The secret to a good taco is all in the freshness of the ingredients. You'll need corn tortillas, your choice of protein. We recommend skirt steak, a white onion, fresh cilantro, a lime, a pinch of salt, and some salsa verde. Gather all these ingredients and you're ready to begin your culinary journey to Mexico. First things first, let's tackle the protein, the heart of our taco. We'll be using skirt steak, a flavorful cut that's perfect for our purpose. Start by generously sprinkling it with salt on both sides. This not only seasons the meat, but also helps to tenderize it. Next, it's time to hit the grill. You'll want to cook your steak to medium rare for optimum juiciness and flavor. Keep an eye on it, turning occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once it's done, resist the urge to dig right in. Let it rest for a few minutes before slicing it thinly across the grain. This allows the juices to redistribute, making every bite a flavorful delight. For my vegetarian friends, don't feel left out. You can substitute the steak with mushrooms sautéed in a bit of olive oil and garlic, or grilled tofu for a hearty plant-based alternative. Now that your protein is ready, it's time to assemble the taco. Now comes the fun part, assembling your taco. First off, we're going to warm up our corn tortillas. You'll want to heat them on a griddle, or if you don't have one, a flat pan works just as well. Get them nice and toasty, but not too crispy. We're aiming for pliable, not breakable. Once your tortillas are ready, it's time to layer. Start with your prepared protein. You've put in the hard work, now let it shine. Next, sprinkle on some chopped white onions. These will add a delightful crunch and a touch of sweetness. Don't forget the cilantro. It's not just for garnish, its fresh, lemony flavor really brightens up the taco. Now, for the pièce de résistance, a squeeze of lime. It adds that zing that ties everything together. To top it all off, add a dollop of salsa verde. It's tangy, it's spicy, it's everything you want in a topping. And there you have it, your own homemade authentic Mexican taco. Who knew making authentic Mexican tacos could be so easy and fun? We've journeyed through the process, from selecting fresh ingredients to preparing the protein just right, to the joy of assembling our own taco. Isn't it delightful to see how simple it is? Feel free to play around with different proteins and toppings. The beauty of cooking lies in its flexibility, allowing each one of us to add our unique touch. Remember, the best part about cooking is putting your own spin on it. Enjoy your authentic Mexican taco, and until next time, happy cooking.